Hello, stamping friends. Brenda Hillard, independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I can be found at createwithbrenda.com. I'm also Create with Brenda on most of the social media, including Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest. So find me, join me, share me, like me, subscribe, all of the above. As you know, this is the kind of business where sharing, commenting, it promotes growth for me as a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and also increases my viewers and all of the good little benefits that come with that. So today I have some exciting stuff. I'm going to be showing you a project that uses the or one of the products anyway from the this particular suite, which is called the Love You Always suite. And this True Love Designer Series paper is so fun. If you haven't seen it in action, check it out. You can color these with the Stampin' Blends. You're able to use the new blending brushes if you were fortunate enough to get those before they went on back order. You can also use the why can't I think of what they're called? The little sponge daubers, the little finger daubers, to color in these flowers and give the backgrounds a totally different look other than black and white. But I really am a fan of black and white. Today I'm going to be using this pattern. This is from the Love You Always Specialty Designer Series paper. These are 12 by 12 sheets, and you get 12 sheets for each of these 3 designs. They are really, really pretty, so check them out in the catalog. And if you're interested in ordering, I'm always interested in a new customer or 2 or 5 or 10. I offer exceptional customer service, and each month you'll notice up here at the top I have a March 2021 host code. This month, when you place an order with me of $50 or more, I will send you as a gift just for shopping with me the Simply Chamois stamp cleaning pad. These are super handy, and they're quick for that in-between clean your stamps. So $50 or more in product, and I send this to you for shopping with me. If your order is over $150, please do not use the host code. You will qualify for your own workshop and receive your own stamping rewards. But you'll still receive the stamping or the Simply Chamois from me. So let's get started with our project. The 2 stamp sets that I'm going to be using this is Touch My Heart, which is from the annual catalog, and it is the host set. So if you do place that $150 or more order with me, this is an option for you to choose, and it's a beautiful stamp set, as you'll see. The sentiment that I'm going to use for the inside of my card comes from the Woven Heirlooms, and this too is really, really a pretty stamp set. Now, both of these come from the annual catalog. The annual catalog looks like this. We will be announcing the end of March the retiring products from this catalog. So if these 2 sets are something that you're interested in, act now, because I don't know that I know this one will retire, but I do not know about this one. So I'm using it to show you and kind of jog your memory if this was a stamp set that you really loved and have not yet purchased. Now would be the time. So let's bring in my project. Today we're going to be doing a Sympathy card, and it uses the color combination of gray granite, petal pink, and then, Blushing Bride, and then that beautiful specialty series paper, designer series paper. Can you see the little Vellum Doily behind, and then I brought more vellum into the project with our duo butterfly punch. So let me show you how I made this. You will need a piece of gray granite that measures 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. And again, this is part of a series that I'm doing on simple yet pretty cards. Okay, so there's our card base. And because our card base is a darker color, you're going to need a piece of basic white and for the insert in our card. And this measures 3 3/4 by 5. I'm going to, like I said, use the gray granite ink and the sentiment from the Woven Heirlooms. I love this sentiment. Its prayers and heartfelt sympathy are with you and your family. So there's our sentiment. I brought in this leaf, kind of a frond kind of thing. And I'm going to stamp that right along the side of our sentiment. I just think that adds a lot there. So there's the insert for our card. And I can put that in right now. I'm just going to add some adhesive right at the top. And this is a little trick that saves you adhesive. So it's just attached at the top. You don't have to attach at the bottom here. It's just kind of flowy. All right. Then you're going to need a piece of Blushing Bride. And this piece measures 3 1/2 by 4 3/4. And this is just the Blushing Bride. Then again, from that touched my heart, I'm using the With Sympathy up here for my sentiment on the front. And I'm going to ink that up with the gray granite, stamp it right here at the bottom. And that's it for stamping. Quick and easy. Like I said, there's nothing better than pretty, quick and easy cards. All right, I have this Vellum Doily. These are really, really pretty. And there's lots of them in the pack. I don't have the pack right here to verify the number, but I'm telling you, one pack of these goes a long way. So there's that. The other thing that we have is, here they are. They're sitting right in front of me. This measures 2 1/4 square, and then this measures 2 inches square. So what I'm going to do is put adhesive on the back of our Specialty Designers paper. And this has like a copper metallic foil. It's so pretty. And then I'm going to add adhesive to the back of the gray granite mat. And I'm just going to put this on the doily at a diagonal so that the doily is kind of in a diamond fashion. And now that gave me lots of room to add adhesive to the back to get this to stay down on our card. And you don't have to worry about a direction with this foil. They just kind of go all different directions. So there's our card front. Now I'm going to add some full-size dimensionals to the back. And you guys, I'm really happy to share these simpler cards because they're so easy to replicate. And if you do make them, I would love for you to share them I have a private group on Facebook. It's called Create with Brenda Crafters. I'd love to have you join and share your projects. And I do have a monthly drawing for prize in that group as well. So hop on over there and join the group. It's a fun group of ladies. All right. And we welcome men as well. So I just don't have anybody or any male crafters in that group yet. All right. So here's our dual butterfly punch. I have a small piece of vellum, and I'm just going to punch 2 of the butterflies out of that piece. Then using our glue dots, I'm going to take the little butterfly and I'm going to pick up a glue dot, and I'm going to put that little butterfly right in the center of the big butterfly. And that actually shows up pretty good on there. And then I always like to just kind of pinch their wings a little bit to give them a more realistic look. I'm going to pick up another glue dot on the back now of the big butterfly, and I'm going to place that right in the center of our foil. These are our champagne rhinestones, and with the copper colored metallic in our paper, this was like a perfect complement to the card. So I'm going to take a big or a larger size rhinestone, and then I want just a couple of these smaller to kind of add some flair to our sentiment here. So there's our sympathy card. Quick and easy, right? And then the slogan, you know, Create with Brenda, no naked envelopes. So again, I took that leafy branch or frond, whatever you want to call it. I don't know what it is. So with the gray granite, again, I just inked up the branch and put it right on the flap of my envelope. Perfect, right? So, like I said, give it a try. I'd love to hear from you. I'd love to see you post on my crafters page on Facebook. See you there. Have a great day, everybody. Until next time. Bye-bye.